That's what he loves. JoJo loves to be up on Dad.
Oh, Jojo.
Too big for this. He's getting heavy. He's our big boy.
Jojo is the first cat we have.
First pet, period.
Yeah, the first ever cat.
First ever pet. And we got Peachy, who's so jealous right now.
Hi, Joe. Are you happy being with Daddy today? Oh, where's your brother Pat Pat? Jojo,
He doesn't jump up on nobody else.
only you.
You want to give him get up on Mama.
Only for Daddy. Same with Kitty Pat. Right, Joe? Joe? You really love Daddy so much? I know. Look at the tail. I call your name Jojo.
Jojo.
Aww.